Hi, my name is Yeboah Ejabenifa. I am a teacher at the University of Cape Coast Primary School. I know by now you know, yes. In this video, you are probably worried that you have about 2, 3, 4 or more learners in the house. And then you have your Moodle and you want them to use one computer or maybe one phone. It is easy. In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple users. Yes, multiple users inside your model so that all the users can use one computer and they can log in and do their work without any problem. Interesting, is that not it? Come to class and let's learn together.
Let's open our model. We are going to open our model. You click on it to open it. It will load like what is happening. Then at this left side is your menu, the menu that you can access various things. We'll look at the menu later. So on these three lines that you have at the bottom here where they have written more, click on those three lines. So you see the user here is Curtis Nana Yeboah. What we are going to do is that to add other users, click on change site. Change site. So I have done that. Click on that and wait. Then come to the right bottom corner here. You see a plus sign. You click on a plus sign. Click on a plus sign like this. Then you have your site again. Remember, we have to type in the site again. So in this case, we type in the university, we type in the basic school lms.ucc.edu.gh. The same site. We type it in and press enter on the keyboard. Then to ask us the username and password. It means that we are going to enter the username and the password of the second person that we want to use for the site. Now this second person I'm adding is a first user. So let's see what will happen. So let me just, I've typed in the username, I've typed in the password. This is going to be the default password because this person is the first user. Let me search for it by pressing enter on the keyboard. So this is what I have. You must change your password to proceed. Remember when we work on the site, our first time that we logged in, the system asked us to change our password before we proceed. So then let me click on open the change password page. Let me click on that. So I have here open the change password page. So let me click here. The current password is 1234 as we know. And I'll type in the new password. So now that I have a new password, the current password is the default password that you were given. Now that I have a new password, I can now click on Save Changes. Let me click on that. Save Changes. Then I have Insuraba Yao Asian. Then it says Continue. I can click on Continue. Now this one will bring me to the web page. What I have to now do is to close this and then close this as well so that I can use my model. This one has sent me to the web page to go and continue. So I can close this now so that I can have access to my model. Now that I'm back to the model, I can now type in the new password that I've set up to log in on the model. Remember, when the system asked me to go and confirm a new password, I did. It sent me straight away to the internet, to the web, to go and do that. When I was done with that, I came back to the model to come and continue my work. This means that if you have already done that for the second user on the internet already, when you come here, the model will not ask you to go and or change the password again. It will automatically allow you to continue from here. So I have here type my new password. Now I can click on login to log in the Moodle. So this person you can see is in primary 1. The first person that I logged in was in primary 2. Now to see the two users, come back to these 3 lines. Click on it. So you can see here, I have Inshiraba Yao Asian here. Inshiraba Yao Asian here. To know the other user in a system, I'll just have to click on change site. Let me click on that. You can see when I click on change site, I'll have the 2 users now in the system. So I have Curtis Nanayeboa, Inshiraba Yao Asian. If I want to add more people, all that I have to do is to select one of these users, go back to the 3 lines, click on the 3 lines, select change site, and then once I click on change site, I can add the other person by using the plus symbol here. When I click on the plus sign, it will give me a page and it will ask me to type in the address of the site I want to use. I just have to type in the same address again. Then it will ask me the user who wants to use that site. And I'll type in the next child's username and password. I can add as many as 10, 15, or whatever list of users on my machine, so that anytime they come to the computer, they just log in and do their work. Thank you.
If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the subscribe button, and then like the page as well. There are more videos coming up for us to enjoy.